There will be no need to fill separate forms or appear for a number of examinations for government jobs in the country. The central government has given approval to One Nation, One Recruitment exam. With the formation of National Recruitment Agency (NRA), you will not have to appear for separate exams for different departments. You will be able to apply based on the marks obtained in the same exam. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has described the NRA as a boon for crores of youth. It is also believed that this will speed up the recruitment process and also increase transparency. What is this NRA? How will it benefit the youth? How will it conduct the exam? Many such questions will also be arising in your mind. Let's know their answers in this video. Watch this video till the end. The central government has formed National Recruitment Agency (NRA), in which RRB, IBPS and SSC will be merged. NRA will conduct a common eligibility test (CET). The CET exam will be the only entrance test for all Group B and C posts in the central government jobs. The NRA will now conduct all the exams for the non-technical posts conducted by the SSC, RRB and IBPS. Later on, all the examinations of the center will be connected to it. As of now, the CET score will be limited only to 3 agencies. But the score of CET will be shared not only with the recruitment agencies of the states but also central and private sector. Will the job be confirmed after passing the CET examination conducted by this agency? Not now, but it is possible in the future. Presently, the CET exam is just a Tier 1 exam, that is shortlisting or screening examination. Students who pass in this exam will be able to apply for the high-level examination for the vacancy. However, some agencies have indicated to give jobs directly on the basis of the CET exam. Separate CET examination will be held for different educational qualifications. Now, the examination will be held at 3 levels for 10th, 12th and graduate level, although the course will be the same. The syllabus for the CET examination will be based on the 10th, 12th and graduation level only. The CET score will be valid for 3 years from the date of declaration of result. If someone wants to improve his score, then he can take the test again and again. Once the NRA is formed, the government will ask for online applications for CET. The entire process related to the application of this exam will be online. Examination center of your choice will also have to be selected at the time of application. Examination centers will be given based on availability. Presently, 1000 examination centers will be built across the country, and each district will have an examination center. The CET examination will be in several languages. According to the central government, this examination will be in 12 languages. The examination will be conducted twice a year. The minimum age for this is 18 years. The maximum age in CET will be under the existing rules. However, SC, ST, OBC and other category candidates will get age relaxation. CET is Tier 1 examination. Under this, screening or shortlisting of the candidate will be done. After this, there will be next level higher examination, which will also include interviews medical tests and physical tests, etc. These will be conducted by the respective recruitment agencies. The central government says that this will significantly reduce the time taken in the recruitment process. Many departments have indicated that they will not conduct second round examination for recruitment, which means that you will get a job based on your CET score. The central government has kept a budget of rupees 1517.57 crores for it for first 3 years. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with other job aspirants. Subscribe to my channel for more updates and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. You can also visit us for filling any kind of online application form for examination or job. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you next week. Don't forget to comment your feedback in the comment section. Bye bye.